Welcome to Z Tech Advisor, your go-to destination for simplified cybersecurity and IT topics. We believe that learning about cybersecurity and IT should be enjoyable and straightforward, so we break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of technology with us. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the cryptographic lifecycle, and we are explaining it in details, so buckle up, because we're about to get technical. Cryptographic algorithms and keys are critical components of any security program. To effectively manage these elements, cybersecurity professionals need a strong understanding of the cryptographic lifecycle, which allows for the selection, maintenance, and decommissioning of cryptographic algorithms as organizational needs and threat environments evolve. This lifecycle approach ensures that cryptographic methods remain secure and effective over time. The need for a lifecycle approach. As cryptographic algorithms age, they can become insecure due to discovered implementation flaws or vulnerabilities to brute force attacks. Therefore, having a lifecycle approach to cryptography is crucial for phasing out outdated algorithms. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, provides a 5-stage cryptographic lifecycle that organizations should follow to ensure the secure use of cryptographic systems. Phase 1. Initiation. During the initiation phase, an organization recognizes the need for a new cryptographic system and gathers requirements for it. This phase includes identifying specific objectives for confidentiality, integrity, and availability based on the sensitivity of the information to be protected. For instance, objectives may include protecting the integrity of cryptographic keys, ensuring authentication, authorization, and non-repudiation, providing 99.5% availability, using digital signatures to validate the identity of message signers and the integrity of the information. Phase 2. Development or acquisition. In this phase, the organization develops or, more commonly, acquires a cryptographic system that meets the gathered requirements. This involves selecting an appropriate combination of software, hardware, and algorithms that align with the security objectives established during the initiation phase. Phase 3. Implementation and assessment. Once a cryptographic system is acquired, it moves into the implementation and assessment phase. Here, the system is configured for use within the organization, and an assessment is conducted to ensure that it meets the specified security objectives. This phase involves rigorous testing and validation to confirm the system's effectiveness and security. Phase 4. Operations and maintenance. After successful implementation, the cryptographic system enters the operations and maintenance phase. During this stage, the organization ensures the continued secure operation of the system. Regular monitoring, updates, and maintenance are performed to address emerging threats and vulnerabilities, ensuring that the system remains robust and reliable. Phase 5. Sunset. The final phase of the cryptographic lifecycle is sunset. When a cryptographic system is no longer viable for long-term use, it transitions into this phase. The organization discontinues the use of the system and securely destroys or archives sensitive materials, such as cryptographic keys, to prevent unauthorized access or misuse. Conclusion. The cryptographic lifecycle is an essential framework for managing cryptographic algorithms and keys effectively. By following the 5-stage process outlined by NIST, initiation, development or acquisition, implementation and assessment, operations and maintenance, and sunset, organizations can ensure that their cryptographic systems remain secure and efficient throughout their operational lifespan. This approach helps mitigate risks associated with aging cryptographic methods and maintains the integrity and confidentiality of protected information. Why do we care about lifecycle of the cryptographic lifecycle? The lifecycle of a cryptographic system is crucial for several reasons. 1. Security. As cryptographic algorithms age, they often become insecure either because researchers discover flaws in their implementation or because the key link they use becomes vulnerable to brute force attacks. Therefore, it's important to phase out algorithms as they become insecure. 2. Compliance. Many industries have regulations that require the use of certain cryptographic standards. Keeping up with the lifecycle ensures that an organization remains compliant with these regulations. 3. Efficiency. Cryptographic systems can become inefficient over time. Newer algorithms might perform better or provide the same level of security with less computational overhead. 4. Functionality. Over time, an organization's needs might change, and the cryptographic system may need to support new functionality. The lifecycle approach ensures that the system evolves with the organization's needs. 5. Key management. Keys used in cryptographic systems need to be managed carefully. They need to be updated and rotated regularly to prevent them from being compromised. The lifecycle approach ensures proper key management. 6. Risk management. By regularly reviewing and updating cryptographic systems, organizations can proactively manage risks associated with data security. In essence, the cryptographic lifecycle approach helps organizations better select, maintain, and decommission the use of algorithms as their security needs and the threat environment change. It's a proactive measure to ensure the integrity and security of an organization's data. Thank you for joining me on this tech journey from Z Tech Advisor. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.